Building a website for your laundromat doesn't have to be complicated, and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the multi-site platform to build a simple and affordable website for your laundromat. Let's get started. Now, if you haven't heard of multi-sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much have built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. See how well multi-sites works for you and your small business. Now, once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, Laundromat. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great. Let's now multi-sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the world. Now, once you click that continue button, multi-sites will work its magic, do all the hard work, and generate a simple website for your business. It will also automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because I'm going to be the one to show you around the platform. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you. This is just a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website. Perhaps you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Maybe you don't offer all these services, or perhaps you just want to make it a bit more customized or personalized to your very own business. Let your customers know how you got into the industry, how your business came to be. They would absolutely love to hear your story. To make any changes on the multi-sites website, you don't need to know any website coding or be a web professional in any kind of way, have any web development skills, and you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. It's literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, pop in a few basic details about my business over here. I want to make sure that my email address is visible to my customers. So let's go ahead and check that box. Phone number, that is click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Now, underneath update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your multi-sites websites. Once you've put those links, so your customers can give you a follow on social media, get some engagement going. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. Once your logo has been uploaded, you can click on that little pencil icon to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. Now, to change the colors used throughout your multi-sites website, you don't need to know any color coding. Click on that paint icon, go through the various color palette options. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to make a bit more personalized to your business, maybe you want to change those images or the call to action buttons, click on update section. Underneath update images where you can browse your device and upload your own images or search through the photo library. We've literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button and automatically pull in those photos if you have an Instagram account. Underneath update action is where we can change those call to action buttons, the text on them, and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file, which is a great option maybe with your rates for your various services. And the last section at the bottom is where we have a section where you can put in your opening hours for your business. Click on update hours, put in the various opening hours for each day of the week. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving to display your opening hours for your customers' convenience in the last section at the bottom. Domains are really easy as well. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom to connect it. It's super straightforward. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. Go ahead and click on that button as well. You can actually purchase a custom domain by the multi-sites websites as well. I really hope this short tutorial was helpful in building a simple and affordable affordable website for your laundromats or laundry services on the Mighty Sites platform in less than 5 minutes. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more small business marketing tips.